Do you know you can make a whole lot of money when people copy your trades on Bybit? Many people don't know about this, and in this video I'm going to be explaining how it's really done and how making others to copy your trades on Bybit can profit you. So apart from you trading and making profit directly from the trade, this is another way for you to make extra income directly when someone copy your trade. So if you don't know what copy trading is, I'm going to briefly explain it to you now. Copy trading is just like Mr. A placed a trade. Let's say, for example, to buy BTC, let's say at a price of $100,000, $100,000, and he set his stop loss at, let's say, $90,000, then take profit $110,000. And then Mr. B, which is copying the Mr. A trade, automatically have that setup, the same entry position, the same stop loss, and the same take profit. And Mr. B do not need or have to do anything by imputing stop loss, take profit, or entry position. All the works are done by Mr. A. So these actions done by Mr. A, for Mr. B to automatically copy it, and it also is called the copy trading. And this action is being automated. It's just like a setting up a copy trading setting up system by Bybit, and all you need to do is just agree to accept the Mr. A copy trading input, and it's going to automatically be placed for you as your own input. So that's just exactly how it is. That is just a simple explanation of how copy trading works. So, and also the amount Mr. A is going to be setting on his or her trade is going to be different from the amount of USD Mr. B is going to be setting up on his trade. Although he can copy the Mr. A amount of trade, let's say Mr. A is entering a trade with, let's say, $100, and if Mr. B wants to enter the trade with that $100, he can still impute the $100. But if he wants to use lesser than that amount or higher than that amount to make higher profit or lesser profit, he can do those settings also. But the thing is that you are entering the trade at the time Mr. A is entering it, and you are going out at the time Mr. B. Sorry, you are entering the trade. That is, Mr. B is entering the trade at the time Mr. A is entering the trade, and the stop loss is set at the same time, and the take profit is set at the same time. But you can still use different amounts to enter the same trade or the same setups. So that's just one thing you need to know about copy trade. So in this video I'm going to be talking about that, and also how you can make money by just being the Mr. A on Bybit. Like when people copy your trade, you are going to be making money. So I'm going to be explaining that in a brief way for you to do. So if you don't have an account on Bybit yet and you want to try this out, you really need an account on Bybit. So just follow my partner link in the description section, or just use my partner link in the description section of this video. If you are watching from YouTube, I want you to know that you need to copy that link from the description section there and go and paste it on your browser to open it, because currently direct links are not clickable on my YouTube channel yet. But if you are watching from Telegram, or you are watching from TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, I'm going to be dropping the link below the post and you can use that. But if you are watching from TikTok, I'm going to be dropping the link in the comment section. You can also copy it and take it to your browser and then unlock the link there, and you can create an account on Bybit so you can get a Bybit account for yourself. So after creating an account, all you need to do is to download the app, log in, and then navigate to this small section here, which is going to, and then unlock this. So you just scroll down here, which you are going to be seeing copy trading at this section here. You click on it and it's going to bring you to the copy trading page, where you can see all the setups that I'm showing you on the screen. Also, for you to try this out, if you want to, or you're interested in this update, make sure you also a good winning rate, because you will not want your followers or people that are copying your trade to lose on their trades, because when you lose on your trade, you're going to be losing. When you came there in the beginning, so you have to have a good or a nice winning rate before start on this. So after that, then, so right there you can see that these are people that they are copying their trades on this copy trading section. And you can see this one right over here, which is the first one, I have about 71.82% of winning rates, and you can see about 106 people are copying this guy's trade. And you can see the drawdown here is about 2.78%. you can see is very way low. So the profit ratio is higher than the drawdown ratio there. So you can see that if you go down, you can see this one here, about 28 people are copying this guy's trade, and it has made about 59.14% of the RI ratio in 30 days, and here it has a drawdown of about 9.66 in 30 days. So there are many of them here, and you can see so many people of them are being copied by their followers, or their copy trading down student, or how will I even call it. So you can see that if this is one method you can use to make a good amount of income on copy trading, but this is not what I'm really talking about. What I'm talking about is that if you are a good trader, you can have this account like this, and people are going to be copying your trades, and Bybit is going to be paying you for that. And that is what I'm going to be showing you on this video. So which is the other ways you can use to generate, or which you can use to make money from Bybit. So hold on, let me explain that. So all you need to do is to come to this join as a trader here, and when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page where they say apply to become a Bybit master trader. So here is an agreement confirmation, information submission, and the rest on Bybit. So how this going to be paying you is that when people under you copy your trades, Bybit is going to be giving you some incentives, that is some commissions when they copy your trades. So maybe if you have more followers on your copy trading account, that's how Bybit is going to be giving you more commissions. So that's just how it is, and that's another ways you can use to make good amount of income from Bybit. So if you have been trading for long, and you have been making good amount of trades from your setups, and you have been making amounts of cool money from there, you can also monetize your setups here also on Bybit by using this copy trading opportunity here. And when people copy your trades, you are going to be getting commissions directly on Bybit. So after then, you can just reading this there. After reading all this agreement confirmation, you can click on I have understood the agreement, and it's going to take you to this page. You input your nickname and then your Telegram, which is your Telegram handle, and then you click on next. Then automatically a copy trading account is going to be created for you immediately. So you can also set your profile picture here. You can select any of the profile picture which you want to use. After setting it out, you can click on the next section. It's going to take you to the next page, which you can follow the prompt information and create your copy trading account, which they are going to be copying your trades directly. So I will not make this video to be lengthy, so I urge you guys to just go and then create it, and then open and set up things which you need to set up at this section, and then complete the setup. So after completing it, you need to know that you need to make sure you drop trades often, and let the trades also be a winning trades also. So make sure you have a high number of winning trades, so that Bybit will recommend you, like how they are recommending these guys here. You can see his name here is Top Grinder. You can see TikTok, you can see that Bybit gave him a crown at this section here. You can see he has a crown here, so that shows that he is a good trader and he's really making money from this, and he is generating money for his community for just trading on this. So that's it, and this is what I have to share with you on today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And also join my Telegram community, because I also drop some trading signals there also. I usually trade and I drop some of my signals at that section also. So if you join my Telegram channel or my Telegram group, you're going to be benefiting from those signals and those strategies I drop most times. And also I do drop other online opportunities there also. So you need to even join all my social media handles, so that you don't miss out on interesting updates like this anytime I drop them. So I'm about to try this out, so that's why I decided to make a video about it, so that you guys will benefit from it also. So anything that work for me online, I always bring it to you guys, so that you can see and learn from it also. So this is it, and this is what I really have to share with you on today's video, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to be seeing you next in the next video. Peace.